Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and today I'm going to talk to you more about the kit Pumpkin Spice. It is still available and you can find it on sweetpiecesbyme.closetomyheart.com. And this is a layout I made. I purchased the paper kit with the stickers. So paper packet, pumpkin spice, plus the sticker sheet, which is X7272S. And I have some scraps left, and I had, after I made a card class, I had some scraps left over. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna make a couple scrapbook pages. So I made this layout here, this 2-page spread, and I'm gonna go ahead and put together another page with you guys. So go ahead and grab some of the stuff here. I already pre-cut what I needed, and then we'll just put it together and add some embellishments. So this is just one of the papers from the kit. This piece, the bottom piece here is 12 by 12. Measurements can be really what works for you. If you have a picture that's 4 by 6, you just want to cut it, maybe trim it down a little bit, and then cut your paper about either 1/4 of an inch or 1/8 of an inch larger so it has a mat. So I'm going to put my picture on top of this. I have two. I have a pattern paper and a cardstock because I want like a matted look. So I don't know what pictures I'm going to use yet. I like to build my pages and then add my pictures later. So I'm just going to go ahead and just throw this together. If you like the sizes that I have here, so I'll tell you what this piece is. That way you could start with this as a guide. So this piece is about a 6 3/4 by 5. So it would fit a 4 by 6 picture, cut down to size. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right about there. About right there. I want some room for my embellishments and other things. And then I like this design here. But since this is the same design, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this side. And I'm going to cover it with some white because it is kind of busy. I just want a little bit to show. And this is going to be where I'm going to journal what this picture is about when I get the picture on there. Oops. And this, I was using it for scrap, as you can see. It doesn't matter what's on that side. All right, so I'll put that like that, and I think I'm gonna do it like this. So I'm gonna put that like right there. Actually, nope. Well, I was like, I'm gonna put something above that right here. So I think I'm gonna move this down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. And then I have these little strips that I cut little notches out of. It's a little banner notch. And I'm just gonna these down here. I thought that would be cute. We'll add some embellishments and stickers to over here as well. And these, again, these are just the zip strips. I love using all of the paper, and that's the top part of the paper that we cut off in the beginning. So the first thing you do when you get your pattern paper is to trim those off. It's like an extra little piece, extra embellishment that you can use. And then, so this is the sticker sheet. I've used a lot of these. I did the other layout using most of them. But there's, as you can see, there's like about half, a little over half left. There's still a ton left. So I'm just going to add, and whatever I don't use today, I'll save or I'll use for cards, but I love this. So I'm going to put this one down here and go out, not all the way. I'm just going to cut like that. And again, I'm going to make that little banner notch. Oh. Okay. Then I was thinking about thankful for every moment up here, or together we make a family. So I think I'm gonna, I worry that that's too, this is kind of that same color. It's gonna blend right in. So I'm not gonna use that one. I'm gonna use this one, thankful for every moment. So I'm gonna put that right here. And then kind of like blessed. It's kind of busy if I use that on that. It's kind of busy and it's different colors, so too much contrast. Let's see. I'm gonna put a couple of, that's again the same pink. I want it to blend. I like this Happy Fall, y'all. And since that's like a contrasting color, I'm gonna put that up here. And I think I'll do, oops, Welcome Autumn, because I like this blue. So I'm gonna put that up here as well. Okay, and then I want to put something down here. So I think I'm gonna do pumpkin, and then you can pop these up too. That would look good if it had some dimension. So you can do this to get rid of the stickiness, or use your embossing buddy powder to make it less sticky. I'm just gonna do this. Grab a piece of my foam tape. Oops. Hold this up here, and then really like a teapot. And a circle. It says Happy Holidays. Love that. And I definitely like the little mug too. Since I've got the teapot, I'm gonna do a little mug here. Just don't know where I want to put it. I don't know. There. And I love the leaves too, and some other pumpkins for other little contrast. I'm gonna put this one over here, I think. Okay, and love the leaves, so I'm just gonna put some of the leaves throughout the paper because I like the different contrast. And one up here. I think that's it. I'm good with maybe another little leaf, like they're flowing throughout the paper. There we go. Quick and easy layout with the pumpkin spice. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.